This poem is called My Bed is a Boat. My bed is like a little boat. Nurse helps me, and when I epic the God goes me and my sailor's coat, and stars starts me in the dark. At night I go on board and say good night to all my friends at shore. I shut my eyes and sail away and see no and see and see the and see and hear no more. And sometimes things to bed I take it as buffering savers to have to do. Bunnies, a slice of wedding cake, bunnies to joy or to all night as the dark one sleep. But when the day returns at last, say